Hi, my name is Geneviéve Jones-Wright, and I'm running for District Attorney for San Diego County. I'm running to be your District Attorney. My opponent boasts that she is law enforcement's choice. When you go to her website, there's a banner that reads Law Enforcement's Choice. And on her endorsements page, you will see the name of our current sheriff, Bill Gore, as well as other law enforcement agencies and associations from all around the county. On the surface, this sounds great. Law enforcement stands behind a DA candidate. But I want to talk to you about why that is an absolute conflict of interest. It's not a problem that law enforcement backs the district attorney, but it is a problem when the district attorney is beholden to law enforcement. I'll tell you what I mean. My opponent has been in office as the interim district attorney as of July 7th when Bonnie Dumanis stepped down. And yet, in August, we learned that an SDPD officer lied under oath multiple times in order to gain a conviction of a homeless gentleman for an infraction. An infraction means that this is on the same level as a speeding ticket. And yet this officer wanted a conviction so bad that he lied under oath multiple times. And what's worse is that the district attorney has the information that we have as community members, that there was body-worn camera footage worn by this officer showing not only that the homeless gentleman told the truth the entire time about their contact, but that the officer's rendition of facts were completely falsified. His facts were contradicted by the body-worn camera footage. This doesn't take a lot of investigation, and yet we are months down the line and this officer has still not been held into court to answer for lying in the line of duty under oath in our courts to judges in order to prosecute a member of our community. My opponent has been radio silent on this issue. She's also been radio silent as to the multiple officer-involved shootings that have happened in this county. 155 officer-involved shootings from 2005 to 2015. And I wish I could say that officer-involved shootings have stopped after 2015. But there was just one yesterday in Point Loma. And by my count, there's been at least 6 just this year. The day that I announced, on July 5th, there was a young man gunned down by a sheriff deputy by the name of Jonathan Cornell. He was shot about 17 times or more. I don't know where the DA's office is going to come down on this, but if history gives the pattern, then that will also be ruled as justified. These are the things we have to consider and think about when making our choices on June 5th. Do we want someone who is beholden to law enforcement so that that blinds them and they will not do the right thing for all victims? Or do we say we want a candidate who represents every person, every neighborhood, every community, and knows that no one, absolutely no one, is above the law? I think you know the right choice. Geneviéve Jones-Wright. Thank you.